So hi guys, this is Michelle Samuels for Y Goals ID, and like I was saying previously, but I had to do some corrections. It's been a tough week. We're kind of on schedule, but kind of off. But just remember, this is a plan to improve your life and also to create structure and order in line with what your goals and aspirations are. And the challenges they're going to come, because this week was very tough for me. I must say that. Very tough. But we can't forget what the mission is, what we want for ourselves, what we're going after to achieve. So we're gonna put out these videos this week. One of them is the 8 types of lingerie options. Stay strong, stay focused. If you like what we're doing, press the like button, become a follower, follow us across our social media channels, whichever one it is that is your preference. And just remember, we've covered a few things previously, one of which is the housing aspect of it, because housing, having somewhere to live, is one of the key areas that needs to be covered foundation wise. While you're doing the plan, one of the next key things that is important is actually having a wardrobe plan. Why do you need a wardrobe plan? Because you want to project from a cost standpoint. You want to think about as well the location that you're at and the different seasons, and also getting the value out of the types of clothes that you buy. As your income increases and as your quality of life increases, you want to project to have that comfort and balance, not only with your own personal your comfort for yourself, but also a relationship with your partner or lover or husband or wife. So today we're gonna we're actually getting into the 8 types of lingerie options. First, I know that we put out the underwear video for men and it was unfinished, so we're gonna go through that one afterwards. But let's deal with the ladies today first of all. 8 types of lingerie options in your wardrobe plan, projection, cost-wise, and also options available. Let's get into it. So first of all, different women have different types of body shape. So you have the hourglass, which is the boobs that are almost equal to the size of the hips. Triangular shapes, still spelled incorrectly, sorry. Triangular shape, so smaller bust and bigger hips. Rectangular shape, just a more rectangular body shape. You can imagine that part of it. Inverted triangle, bigger breasts and smaller hips. First on the list, we have the garter belts. The garter belts, as you can see here, there's a laced area attached and a belt, a laced area going around the waist, and also belts attached, and the belts are there for a specific reason. We'll show you in a minute. There are suspender belts worn at the waist or just below. It originated in the wedding tradition of the groom removing the garter on the wedding night. Belts for stocking that do not have silicone rubber lining, type known as hold up. So sometimes the silicone rubber lining is there, but you need some additional reinforcements. Now, how the suspender belts or the garter belts came around, it was in the 60s and it became popular as an alternative to the girdle that women used to wear. Great for women who wear stockings regularly but prefer ear to pass through for health and maintenance purposes. Matching thigh-high stockings are not recommended for women with latex allergy. So there's a latex lining around the leg area, and if you're allergic to latex at all, it's not recommended for it to have the rubber lining. So sometimes what happens is on the wedding night, they'll wear the garter only. And as you see here, it has the lace embodiment and also maybe some ribbons and so on. It's adjustable straps and clips, and there's a hook and eye fastener at the back. It may come in silk, satin, or charmeuse. Never heard of that one, but I'm sure I'm learning myself too. Wedding garters typically come in ruched, satin style, or lace. Any words I've pronounced incorrectly, no problem, make a comment. Wedding garters have soft features like bows, appliques, rhinestones or crystals, and can be paired with lace thigh highs, paired with thongs, bikinis, and even crotchless panties. So you'll have the, let's go back a bit, and you have, you as you see here, that's the garter and belt. You have the stockings attached. Some have different color stockings, and you have different types as well. It can be plain. Most of the wedding garters, they'll come in like satin style or lace. They have bows, rhinestones, crystals, and they can be paired with thong panties, bikinis, or even crotchless. They have elastic thigh-high garter belts, or they can be called suspender belts, garter harness, thigh garter. They can be paired with thigh-high stockings such as fishnets, lace, printed, and stripes. Silicone gels. When you're getting the stockings, it's good to get the silicone gels with at least two strips on the thigh part, as well as elastics, because what happens is the elastics tend to stretch and get loose. So you want something to not only reinforce it from the belts, but also with additional strips if possible. It can be worn not only for the wedding, but also a typical work day. Black sheer or black opaque or skin tones can work. Parties and special events, you can wear the stockings that are in bold prints. And if there's a date night or something special, or maybe a photo shoot, you can think about fishnets or colored bands. Some of the links that we have here for the garter belt are attached. Victoria's Secret over here. Victoria's Secret over here. There's a Primark. You may be able to find the lace suspender belts in Primark, and also uktights.com and Bergdorf Goodman as well. The next one on our list is the negligee. As you can see here, it's almost like a baby doll look with the bra attached. So it's a woman's light dressing gown, typically made of a filmy, soft fabric, traditionally long in length, became short over time. In the 1970s, became known as the baby doll. The baby doll. The negligee looks more like the baby doll. So it was long. It can be worn as long even now. As you notice, there is sheer, like see-through, but you have the shorter versions. Over time, it evolved into that concept. Next on the list, we have the teddies. So here we have the teddy nightwear. As you can see, sometimes the shorts is attached to the top. It's like a one piece, and you can find a teddy nightwear at the link that we've attached here. And this is just one example of if your girlfriend or wife says, I'll take a teddy set. Sometimes it comes in satin and lace. Another form of the teddy right here, but it's like a full body lace, as you can see, attached all over, but it covers down to before the thigh area, but it's cut like it can be thong at the back part, or it can be a fuller size. On this one here, we actually, the link that we found is 2022 new import China one piece sexy full body. You can get more than a specific quantity if you click on that link as well. Blue here at ASOS. ASOS is selling the front lace trim teddy in black. So as you see, it's like a loose shorts that has the lace down the middle, and it's supposed to be elegant and cool as well, but without having the opening. Remember, the negligee is the baby doll looking one, and the teddy can be attached with the shorts. It can be very fitted, or it can be loose at the bottom. So you can find ruffled teddy bodysuits at Casa Bella as well, the Romance collection, Love Vera. Here are some of Savage X Fenty lingerie by Rihanna, Bum Cake Vintage. These are some of the links that you can go to if you're interested in finding the teddy, or any teddies at all. So here we have the bodysuit that's very fitted. It can be sheer at different parts. It can be even completely sheer and just covering the breast area. So this is one type of bodysuit. Sometimes the bodysuit can be worn on different occasions. We'll show you moving forward. So you can, as an outerwear, the bodysuit can be worn. And here we give an example. And these are the links attached. So if you wanted to just mix it with a leather skinny trouser or something like that, or something like that rather. Some strappy high heels would be nice too. And that can be worn on. If it's cold, you can wear a jacket, a fur coat, or just a short leather jacket could go as well. Here we have prettylittlething.com, and they have the plus black contrast binding cut out thong body. So this is another bodysuit for women with bigger hips and just of a like not petite, and they're looking for maybe plus size or just below plus size. prettylittlething.com. I've shopped there quite a few times, and I think Pretty Little Thing is okay. ASOS, ASOS is okay too. Depending on what you want to wear, they have a range you can look through. Then you have the bustier. A bustier is an extended bra top that usually covers all or most of the torso, though there are bustier bras that end well above the belly button, and I'll show you what that looks like. Here you go. This can be worn as an outerwear as well, and we found this on Google search. And if Dolce & Gabbana is selling one for £745 on Net-a-Porter, you also have Karen Millen who is selling this. I like this because I think this may be Versace. This pants, or at least a knockoff from Versace. So this is just a plain black bustier, and here we have £658 as well. Sheer tulle strapless bustier as well, 658. So you can get it on the lower end, but still looking just as good, or the higher end in pounds. The bustier, so close to a corset but above the waist, size smaller than the natural waist you may want to get. Bustiers always come with a bra built into the garment and can be worn as a push-up bra under a low back dress. Maxi skirts, slim fitted high waist pants, casual shorts can be worn with it as an outerwear. So if you're going out, can even if you're going to dinner and you want to wear a nice jacket with it if it's cold, depending on the weather. Then you have the chemise. So the chemise is or should we say shift, is a classic smock or a modern type of women's undergarment or dress. Historically, a chemise was a simple garment worn next to the skin to protect the clothing from sweat and body oils. So here's the example of a drawing, but this was done in 2014. So it looks kind of historic, so to speak. There are different types of chemise. So here are some, this is House of Fraser carrying different brands. And you have it for £18, 14, 21, £42. Prevents clinging and static and goes well under business attire. It's like a shapewear but sexier. Extra warmth in the winter, fits well on curvy shapes. If your personality is more on the shy or conservative side, you could go for a chemise. Suits, outerwear, or even as a summer trend, you can wear, depending on the style of the chemise, comfortable to sleep into. All right. Next on the list, camisoles, a woman's loose-fitting undergarment for the upper body, typically held up by shoulder straps. So here are the camisole examples that we have. So you see, you can wear it out in the summertime or even just undergarment wise. £185, £10. The links are attached here. Marks and Spencer is selling it for $39.50. Ted Baker, £24. Give me a minute to look at that. Comes in different styles as well. Camisoles can be worn out. How to wear camisoles, how to wear fashion. That's the link that we went on. If you see the camisole here, she's wearing it with a knee-length pencil type skirt, and a jacket can be worn with jeans as well. Put on some strap shoes. Here it's like after work wear. Depends on what you like. This may be boring for some. Some people may want to wear shorter skirts or longer, depending. Next on the list, matching bra and panty. So we have different types of bra in lingerie collection. We have the plunge bra, transparent bra, the strapless bra. You have bandeau, you have lace, padded, balconette, different types of bras for the occasion. High waist bra and panty set may be one. The balconette bra and thong, see-through lace push-up bra, triangle bra, and hipster bikini, floral lace cutout and underwear. These are some of the examples here. If your wife or your girlfriend says she wants a matching bra and panty set, or you just buying it for the girls in the household, there are different options available depending on age and comfort. There may be a full panty. Types of These are some of the links that you can go to: how to choose lingerie for your body, your guide to different types of lingerie, how to buy thigh high stockings. And we're finished for today. So guys, so I got through it. Yeah, so here, remember, lingerie, there are different options depending on body type and style. Okay, meaning how is the body shaped? You can ask those questions. At least you have some idea now of the different types. Like they can be worn at home in the bedroom as well as outerwear. So it's quite evolved now. You have bustiers, you have so many options. Well, the matching bra and panty set is, even some women can wear those. I mean, the matching bra part, depending on what you're wearing over it. Also, you have camisoles. So we've explained what the garter is used for, that there are options available. So, to make it a bit spicy and in the bedroom, and also for you to know the options available when you go shopping. You're not just randomly walking around looking and thinking, oh my God, what am I going to buy now? What is it that would fit and be suitable? So you can tell them, the hourglass body shape, that's my body shape. What's the breast size? The different types of bras. Is it a half bra? Is it a And we'll do a video with the different types of bra, so I didn't really get into it too much. And also, if you're doing the garter with the belts, you can wear it with fishnets, just something to make you feel comfortable. If you're more on the shy side, you may want to think about options like the camisole or the chemise. So thank you so much for joining today, and we're going to move on to the underwear for men video, which is quite overdue, but enjoy this one for now, guys. All right, have a great day and take good care of yourself. Bye.